What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I am a full-time Amazon reseller, and that's what I teach here on my YouTube channel. So if that's something you're interested in learning more about, definitely consider joining the family and smashing that subscribe button. But in this video, I want to get into a topic that's very important, especially for those of you, maybe this is your first year selling on Amazon. I want to help you guys really avoid a super big mistake a lot of sellers make at this time of the year, especially if you're doing retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. So definitely stay tuned till the end of the video so you get all the information you need, so you don't make this crucial mistake that most other sellers make when they're just getting started. So as you guys know, I hope you guys killed it for Q4. We are past Christmas now, we're heading into the new year. A lot of you guys are excited. There's going to be tons of opportunity to buy products going into the new year. You guys want to crush January, but you guys need to be very, very, very careful on how you're sourcing, right? A lot of products, and the big mistake I see sellers make at this time of the year is product prices are still inflated on a lot of items such as like toys and things of that nature. So it's very, very crucial. You guys are being very detail oriented and doing your proper research when buying products, like looking at Keepa, price histories, etc., just to make sure you guys aren't buying into a product that looks good right now, but so by the time you guys get it into Amazon, it's ready to get sold, the prices didn't come and just wipe your profits out. So that's a big mistake I see with a lot of sellers, is they just go haywire buying up a bunch of stuff at this time of the year because they want to get started crushing the new year, get off on the right foot, that they're just buying all this different stuff without really doing the proper research. Next thing you know, they have thousands of dollars invested in all these different products that looked good when they bought them, and they probably were good when you bought them and they're profitable, but you didn't realize that those prices on those products were actually inflated due to the holiday season. And by the time you're able to get them into Amazon, all the profits are gone and you're either stuck breaking even or even worse, taking a loss. So that's really the whole point of this video, is just really stressing to you guys, make sure you're doing the proper research. With Keepa, looking at price history from last year, certain toys, certain food products that are really seasonal and their prices get inflated, because I don't want you guys making that mistake and wasting capital on products that aren't going to bring a profit. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know how you guys did this Q4 down in the comment section below. It was a great one for me. I hope it was for you guys as well. And I'm definitely looking forward to crushing it in the next year. So let me know down in the comments how your Q4 went, and I'll see you guys on the next video.